Mutualism is a fascinating type of symbiotic relationship where two different species come together, benefiting each other in remarkable ways. Take obligate mutualism, for instance. Here, species like lichens, composed of fungi and algae, are completely dependent on one another. The fungus provides structure, while the algae produce food through photosynthesis. Then there's facultative mutualism, where species like bees and flowers interact for mutual gain but can survive independently. Bees feast on nectar, while flowers get pollinated, ensuring their reproduction. Consider pollination. Birds, bees, and butterflies are nature's little matchmakers, transferring pollen as they sip nectar, helping plants thrive. And let's not forget seed dispersal. Squirrels and birds play a crucial role by spreading seeds, allowing plants to flourish in new areas. Even cleaning symbiosis is a great example. Cleaner fish munch on parasites from larger fish, gaining a meal while keeping their hosts healthy. Mutualism is essential for ecosystem balance, fostering biodiversity and interdependence among species. It's a beautiful dance of life,